Hi, we're from Group 1.
My name is Chen Junsen.
My name is Abdul Rahman.
My name is Ahmad Daniel.
My name is Jinsuti.
Our term in this mini project is public transport, and this is our design. We name it as Smart Bus Door Controlling System.
So the first objective of our project is to help reduce the spreading of COVID-19 in public transport.
The second objective of our project is to help bus driver in controlling the movement of the passenger in and out of the bus.
The working principle of our project is to use two input to control an output. And the input is the PIR sensor and the temperature sensor, and our output is the DC motor to control the door. Now we will start to demonstrate our project.
Now we'll go to the inner working of our mini project. This is the motor driver. It functions to drive the motor, and this is the motor. It functions to open the door by either spinning clockwise or counterclockwise. And this two is the cut-off switch for when if the door hits either of the switch, the circuit will cut off and the motor will stop spinning.
This circuit designed for our PIR sensor, and here we use a voltage regulator to step down the input voltage into 5 watts because the PIR sensor cannot work with high voltage. Next, here we use a transistor to limit the current flow into our transistor. Then the transistor is working as an amplifier here, and to amplify the voltage come into the Altera box.
This is the circuit for our temperature sensor, which this circuit it has the operation amplifier. This op-amp is work as the comparator. Then this circuit also has some resistor, which there are two functions for the resistor. The first function is, for example, the resistor as the lower side here, it works as the voltage divider to provide the reference voltage for the comparator. Then the upper resistor at here, it functions to limit the current flow to the LED.
Our system has 4 conditions. So the first one, when the sensor is not detecting anything or any person and the temperature is within the allowable range, the door will stay closed. So the second condition is when the temperature is within the allowable range and the sensor is detecting person, the door will open for a few seconds and then will close back.
Third condition, when a passenger with high temperature come close to our door, the door will open and the LED and buzzer will turn on. Now when a passenger with normal temperature come close to our door, the door will open again. That's all.
And for the second example is when you detect someone but the temperature is high. The driver flip the main switch, the door will still open. You can see when the temperature is high, the door is still open. When I flip off, the door will close.
And in conclusion, we can say that our project is working and successfully, even that it still have some imperfection, which the first one is our DC motor are not stable, which sometimes it will start because this is caused by the position we put our motor are not very accurate. And for the second one is actually the sensors our use is LM35, and actually this type of sensor is more suitable for the direct contact temperature sense. So we think that the wireless radiation sensor is more suitable for our project. But since the wireless sensor was very costly and we did not have such budget, so we just use LM35 to replace for that type of sensors. I think that's all. Thank you.